Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. Let's start our lecture. Unit number 4, page number 41. This is about present continuous tense. You know very well that what is the present continuous tense. Let's check the definition. If something is happening now, we use present continuous tense. This tense is formed by using two components, the verb be in the present tense and the ing form of a verb. For example, I am reading a book. What is the meaning of be in the present tense? Be is rm, okay, and ing, a form of a verb at the end of a main or basic verb, like to. So we have added ing after do. Okay. Like this is the example of present continuous. I am doing, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. उर्दू में वैसे एक्सप्लेन तो करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट फिर भी मैं एक दफ़ा कर देती हूँ कि उर्दू में किसी भी जुमले के लास्ट में रहा है, रही है और रहे हैं आता है, ये प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस की पहचान होती है, रिकग्निशन होती है. Now we are going towards practice sentences of the present continuous tense. So just look at the exercise number E. Use the correct form of the verb given in bracket to make present continuous tense. Okay. उन्होंने आपको ब्रैकेट में मेन वर्ब दिए हुए हैं, आपने इसमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज आर एम लगाना है और वर्ब के लास्ट में आई एन जी लगाकर अपना सेंटेंस कंप्लीट करना है. एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दीज सेंटेंसेस ऑन योर रफ नोटबुक. ओके, you have to do the practice of it on your rough notebook. After reopening the school, I will take your test on the proper class notebook. Okay, check the sentence number 1. I can't come. I learn my lesson. Now you have to change this part of the sentence into present continuous. I always use am with I. Okay, am with I is for singular and are for plural. I am learn my lesson. No, it would be wrong. I am learning. ing इसके साथ ऐड करें, my lesson. It is the right sentence, right present continuous tense. I can't come. I am learning my lesson. मैं नहीं आ सकता. क्यों? Because I am learning my lesson. Number 2. What you do? Mom is waiting for you. अब यहाँ पर हमने कौन सा पार्ट बनाना है? ये वाला. ठीक है. What are you doing? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? Mom is waiting for you. Mom तुम्हारा वेट कर रही है. Okay. He do his homework. He is doing his homework. Listen that girl cry. Listen that girl is crying. Okay. अब आपने क्या करना है, ये जो नीचे आपको दिए हुए हैं ये आपने क्वेश्चंस दे दिए उन्होंने और आपने इनको आंसर में चेंज करना है. ठीक है. और आपको पता है कि आंसर आपको सिंपल सेंटेंसेस दिए हुए हैं, आपने इसे क्वेश्चन में चेंज करना है. मीन यू हैव टू मेक द इंट्रोगेटिव ऑफ द गिवन सेंटेंस. ओके. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, number 1, we are waiting for the bus. You have to add are at the start of the sentence and we, the subject or pronoun in the place of are. Okay. Are we waiting for the bus? And use question mark at the end of the sentence. She is going to the market. Is she going to the market to work? Okay. You have to do the same sentences. You have to do the practice of in these sentences by yourself. Okay. Now read these sentences, these pair of words with correct pronunciation. What is the difference between pair of words? They have same sound somehow, but they have totally different in their meaning. They are totally different in their meaning. Hail. हेल मीन होता है ओले भी होता है, पुकारना भी होता है, आफरीन भी होता है. काफ़ी सारे मीनिंग्स में ये इस्तेमाल होता है. हेल जहन्नुम. लेट लेट. लेटर letter. Sail, sell, tail, tell, taste, test. Okay. Now you have to complete the fill in with blank with suitable pair of word. I could not get a dash in the bus in the seat. A mosquito bit me last night. My mother is cooking rice for supper. My grandmother tells us stories. Saad hit the ball and scored the goal. A dash ship sails over the water. Okay. Now just what you have to do at your home, learn these exercises and do practice of that sentences, and after that you have to write a paragraph on the given picture. They have given you the form of the verb in present continuous tense. You have to use these words and write a paragraph on about on these members. Okay, on this picture. Okay beta, thank you so very much. Stay blessed.